In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix the Xero unknown error quickly and safely. If you've been trying to log in, load a page, or complete an action in Xero, and you keep seeing an unknown error message, don't worry. This is a common issue, and in most cases, it's caused by browser conflicts, session timeouts, or incorrect system settings. I'll walk you through 3 simple fixes that usually solve the problem in just a few minutes. Make sure you watch until the end so you don't miss any steps. And if this tutorial helps you out, be sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more simple software fixes just like this. Alright, let's jump in. The first and most effective fix is to force what I call a clean slate using Incognito Mode. Browser extensions, cached data, or stored sessions can sometimes interfere with Xero and trigger the unknown error. Opening Xero in a private window removes those conflicts instantly. If you're using Windows, press Ctrl+Shift+N on your keyboard. If you're on a Mac, press Command+Shift+N. This will open a new incognito or private browsing window. In that new window, go to the address bar and type login.xero.com, then press Enter. Log into your account as you normally would. Because this session has no extensions, no old cache, and no stored cookies, it often clears the issue immediately. Once you're logged in, try performing the same action that previously caused the error. In many cases, this alone fixes the problem. If it works here but not in your regular browser window, then you likely need to clear your cache or disable browser extensions later. If the error still appears, move on to the second method, which I call the 60-second reset. Sometimes the issue happens because multiple requests were sent to the Xero servers too quickly. This can temporarily lock the action and trigger an unknown error message. As soon as you see the error, stop clicking the button or link immediately. Don't refresh repeatedly and don't keep retrying. Now wait exactly 60 seconds. This gives the server enough time to fully time out the previous request. After the full minute has passed, carefully attempt the task again just once. Whether it's saving an invoice, opening a report, or submitting a payment, try it a single time and wait for it to process. In many situations, this resolves temporary server conflicts and the action will go through normally. If you're still experiencing the problem, the third fix is to sync your computer clock. This might sound surprising, but Xero relies on secure server authentication, and if your system time is even slightly out of sync, it can cause login or session errors. To fix this on Windows, go to the bottom right corner of your screen and right-click on the time and date in the taskbar. Click on Adjust Date and Time. In the Settings window, make sure Set Time Automatically is turned on. If it's off, toggle it on so your computer syncs with Microsoft's time servers. Once that's done, close your browser completely, reopen it, and log back into Xero. This ensures your authentication tokens match the correct server time. Those 3 methods fix the vast majority of Xero unknown errors. Start with Incognito Mode for a clean session, use the 60-second reset to clear stuck requests, and finally sync your computer clock to eliminate authentication issues. If this video helped you fix the problem, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe for more step-by-step tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.